Hello friends, today we will discuss 3 or 4 mechanism. We have already write down the reaction as well as mechanism, and if you see these first reactions in this is bicyclic system, and if you see this is the chair form of this form. Okay, so this is the these two groups is the transposition. So that's why we have mentioned hydrogen and OH as axial, and hydrogen and OTS is the cis. Okay, so that's why when hydrogen will attack, this bond will break down, and this bond will break down, OTS will be released out, so double new bond will be formed here. Okay, so it is the after breakdown and forming ketone group here, and if you write down this one, this will act as this. Okay, so it's the monocyclic ring will be formed, and from 5 position from this, the double bond is present here. So you can easily construct the mechanism and write down the structure. Okay, so thank you. And again, if you see, this is the bicyclic system. Okay, and in this HNO3 first of all added, so this bond will be break down here. This carbon will involve in forming acid. Okay, and from here it form acid. Okay, so HNO3, it is strong acid, so that's why it directly converts to acid. MCPBA, the two functions you have been read that the two function is that either it attacks on the double bond. Okay, either cis or trans. Okay, or it insert inside the, like that, insert the ketone and carbon moiety. Okay, so in this there is no double bond, that's why it will insert it. MCPBA, M chloroperbenzoic acid, so one oxygen peroxide bond is present, so that's why it will insert it inside this. Okay, next is this reaction is very important and have been asked in several exams. So if you see SnCl4, it acts to form a free radical, means carbocation. It helps in the formation of carbocation. So first of all, SCl4 abstract this chlorine, forming here positive, and release out SCl5. Okay, so after that this bond will be break down. Okay, and forming this secondary carbocation. Okay, and if you see, always tertiary carbon will break down first. Okay, this one like that, so a tertiary will be break down, forming secondary. Okay, forming this one carbocation, and chloride will be attacked. If you see here, this is the bicyclic system. And if you see here, if you write down this structure as, okay, so after chloride attack, this is the one carbon, so it is the one carbon in which 2 methyl is present, so we have mentioned 2 methyl group. Okay, okay. After that, what happened, if you bifurcate, so this double bond, this 2 methyl groups will be not present here, and this methyl group present should be here. And if you see 1 and 2, this is also not present here. It will present where? It will be present here. Okay, so that's why this, and here chlorine will be attacked, so chlorine will be attacked in equatorial position as compared to this. Okay, so this is the your if you write down the clean way, so it is your product. Chloro, and this one is, so this one is the product of this. Okay, but this reaction is very important for competitive exams. Okay, and it is also important reaction in which B2S6 is added here, and this is the ester and acid. Okay, 2 moiety is present only. So selectively, if you see BS3, it's monomer at forming this COS, means convert it to COS to CS2OS. Sorry, first of all it going to BS3 in solution. Okay, after that it converts to CS2OH, and in acidic medium it converts to this O minus, means it O minus attack on CO, OET will be released out, forming ethanol. Okay, and forming this product. So it is very important reactions we have mentioned today, 1 2 3 4. So you should be write down and do practice for that, because practice is very necessary for organic chemistry, otherwise you cannot capable to means you can understand but you can forget very easily. That's why practice is very important for our organic reactions. Okay, so thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you are any problem related to the related to core problems, then please write down your comments in the comments below box. Okay, so we will solve your problem. Okay, so thank you friends.